Hello guys, welcome back to Elan App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you Wix landing page tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So first thing that we need to do here is we first have to log in into our account or create our account in Wix.com. Now with Wix, you'll be able to create your website without prior knowledge on using like programming tools, HTML or CSS. You can go ahead and start creating your website without any knowledge of those. So first thing is first you need to create your account. So if you've already created your account, you'll be instantly redirected into the create new page section. Now in this case, if you already created your account and you don't get that pop up and you only have this screen here, so let's go ahead and go to our account at the top right. From here, click on create new site. Now same thing if you're in the creation process on your website, it's going to say bring your ideas to life with AI. So for now, let's go ahead and click on set up without AI. Now from here, it's going to ask us a few information about our website because it's going to tailor our website into what we need. So let's go ahead and just type in landing page here and just click on next. And from here, it's also going to ask us what's the name of your business. So in this case, I'm going to just input a random name here. From here, it's also going to ask what do you want to add to your website. Now in this case, we only want to have a chat website here, but we also have, or we want to also include the section here for blog and portfolio. So this is an example, but choose whatever that you need here. So for example, you have an online store, choose online store here, and bookings, events, and whatever. But for now, let's go ahead and click on next here, and we'll be redirected to the next page here. It's going to say start setting up your business. So let's go to our dashboard. But if you want to create a website using a template, you can go ahead and do that. So begin with a template, but you also have the option to get custom built site. So let Wix create a site for you in minutes. But in this case, since we want to customize it as much as we can, so let's go ahead and click on begin with a template. And from here, we'll need to choose a template or appropriate template for our need. Now in this case, let's go ahead and search for a template here that we could use. So by the way, you could go ahead and choose whatever here. If for example, if it's store, go to store here, or if in creative, choose creative here, community and blog as well. But for now, let's go ahead and choose the section here, like for example, a webinar landing page. So since we input landing page before, it's going to give us these options here. So for now, let's go ahead and click on edit here. It's going to open up another tab wherein we'll be able to edit our template. Now, but the good thing about Wix here is instead of you creating a empty website, or sorry, empty page, you'll be able to choose from their templates. As you can see, this is already a landing page. We only need to change a few things on the site itself. So for now, let's wait for it to load up. As you can see, it is now load up. Now from here, what are the things that we could do? So first thing that we could change here are the elements itself. So it's for now, if you get this pop up here, adding Wix blog, make sure that you wait for it. But once it loads up, let's go ahead and start editing things. So in here in our Wix editor, you will be able to change your site without any prior knowledge and coding. So I did have site. These are the tools that you can change here. Like for example, if you want to add elements, so these are like images, headings, and different things that you see here on your web page itself. Like for example, if you want to add a title here, you can go ahead and drag it into your website. As you can see, we were able to drag it in that section here. Now, if you want to delete that, you can go ahead and select on it and click on delete or backspace on your keyboard. Now you also have this section for add section. So sections are, from the name itself, are sections on your web page. So for example, we want to add a section here, and as you can see, we'll be able to choose a section. For example, we want to say a welcome section here. As you can see, it is now added. Now again, if you want to delete this one, you can go ahead and click on the section itself, click on the three-dotted icon, and click on delete. Now we also have the pages and menus, which is the available pages and menus in our website itself. So there's a lot of things that you could change here on Wix, but I'll be only discussing the basic things here that you should be knowing when you're creating a landing page. Now, in this case, we also have the option for this site design. So color theme, text theme, background theme, and page transition. So these are themes or the overall design of your web page. Now, for example, color theme, if you change this to a different one, it's going to be adapted to every page that you have. Now, I also have the section here for the Wix App Market, so you could actually add additional functionalities into your website if you lack those functionalities already. Now, in this case, we could go ahead and start editing our site. Now, in this case, if you want to edit like specific section here, for example, if you double click on this text here, you'll be able to change the name itself. Like for example, I'm going to say Adam Jones, and this one. And we could basically change the name or title on the section as well if you double click on it. As you can see, when I double click on it, it's going to give me this pop-up here as well, wherein we could change text settings. Now we could change the font style here, the font size, the font itself. As you can see, we can make it a lot bigger or a lot smaller if you want to. Now we could also change the bold, italic, the underline here, positioning, if it's going to be bulleted, effects, and a lot more, which is really awesome. Now I will let you explore all these things here, so let's move on to other parts as well. Now in this case, we also have this section here for Wix site search. So if you see something that is overlapping, you could go ahead and press and hold on it and reposition certain things. Now in this case, when you scroll down a bit, you'll be able to change your section here. Like for example, maybe we are not satisfied with this section here. So currently we have the section here. For example, we want to update. So let's go and click on more action here. As you can see, you have the quick edit, section layout, section settings, shape dividers, and a lot more. Now, if we click on quick edit here, as you can see, we are able to change a few things. Like for example, the strip background itself, the section background, and a lot more. Now, for example, we want to change this one. So let's go and click on change and choose the image here. Now, you could also, if I'm not mistaken, click on image here to get other information, other images that you might want to use. So currently they have media from Wix, Shutterstock, and Unsplash to choose from, or you could also upload your media. Now, and for example, I want to upload an image here. Choose an image that we have in our computer, click on upload, and from here it's going to upload that image. And for now, it's going to redirect us to this next page here. Let's go ahead and select on it and click on change background. And from here, you'll be able to notice as we were able to change the background itself. Now, the same thing applies to other sections here. You can go ahead and click on that section, change the image itself if you want to as well. Now from here, we could go ahead and click on this other sections again and click on this specific image again as well. So edit image. Same thing, you'll be able to change image, adjust a few things, enhance, crop, resize. So there again, there's going to be a lot of things that you can do here in Wix, and we won't be able to fit this in one video. Now in this case, you can go ahead and edit all the things that you want to edit here. It's pretty simple, but once you're done, you can go ahead and click on save at the top right here, and from here you could go ahead and click on choose the option to get a free Wix domain. So let's go and choose that, click on save and continue. And from here, if you want to preview your website, click on the preview at the top right. For now, let's go ahead and click on done. Click on preview at the top right. And as you can see, it is a preview of our website now. So yeah, so currently this is a really cool feature on Wix wherein you'll be able to choose a template from their templates library so that you'll be able to change or basically create your landing page. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Elon App. Thank you for watching.